My Siemens tumble dryer keeps stopping mid-cycle telling us to empty the water tray, although there is little water collected. I have tried cleaning all the filters and also the little blue condenser in the water collector tank.
Do you know the model of your Siemens dryer? How old is it?
My ID is WT46W562 Siemens X700.
How long has this been going on with your Siemens dryer? What have you tried so far?
This has happened a couple of times when the dryer was brand new and now after moving home.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I have tried changing programs, cleaning all the filters and looking for a kind of reset function.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. I know you have been waiting for a while for a reply, so I will provide an answer now in case it will help immediately with your issue. Please follow up with any questions or updates and I surely will continue to assist. There is no time limit to your reply, so surely reply when it is the most convenient. I may not be online when you do, so please know I will reply at the first opportunity. The issue is likely dirty filters that are causing the issue, so if you clean those, that should solve the issue.
Thank you, Mike. Actually, I had already cleaned all the filters. Or at least the two under the opening door and the little blue one in the condenser above. Any further idea? Thanks a lot. Daniela.
Are you planning on repairing it yourself? Have you wiped the moisture sensors around the filter housing?
No, I don't know this sensor and will look for it. I'll let you know if it has worked. Thanks a lot.
You are very welcome. You can add me to your favorites from the My Questions page, and if you start the question with words for Canuck the Pro, then that will request me. I surely want to be your go-to expert. Maybe I can tell you some household things that might be helpful. How to flush your water heater, maintain your dishwasher, or really anything else that would be helpful to you. Thank you so much for allowing me to help with this today. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to let me know. I absolutely want to continue to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.